Well met, Jared. Listen close. We do not have much time. We must strike before Aguirre realizes the size and strength of the split amongst the Pax Dei.
I concur. After this first battle, we will surely be hunted down. If we must die for honor, then let us make it count.
You are surely the best of us, Jared. Very well then. A joint order Craven research team already staffs the Fukabe base, hidden in the Voorhees region. They have unlocked information crucial to the completion of Project GOM, and they must be stopped before they can do anything with it. Your forces will be dropped here, and here.
Will we be facing our own brothers?
I am afraid so, Jared. It sickens me, but they are fiercely loyal to the Cardinal and will not stand down. We must battle our own.
If we must, then we must. What is the ETA on any reinforcements?
As soon as the alert is sounded, units will begin to move out from Xanadu base to the north. You will not have long to do your job. Also, the Order has an operative in the Craven Supply Department who is an old friend. He will help us, and has told me an armed Craven convoy will be in the area. He will do what he can to delay them. Do what you can, my friend. There are no second chances now. Go with the light.
I will strike out against the fall of night, old friend. Stone out!
New drop zone. Landing vehicle entering atmosphere. Landing vehicle entering atmosphere. Landing vehicle entering atmosphere.
You must reach the Fukabe base quickly and destroy it. I think it very likely that reinforcements from the Xanadu sector will be deployed once your attack raises the alarm.
Weapons secure, Deacon. Weapons secure, Deacon.
Weapon secured.
Move orders received. Move orders received.
Move order acknowledged. Move orders received.
Vector plotted. Affirmative. New vector received. Move orders received. Vector plotted. Affirmative. New vector received. Move orders received. Vector plotted. Move command understood. Yes, Deacon. We will move. Vector plotted. Affirmative. New vector received. Waypoint added. Waypoint added. Waypoint added. Waypoint added.
On our way, Deacon. Line formation acknowledged. Yeah, I'm going. Move order received.
Affirmative. New vector received. Vector plotted.
Right away, Deacon.
Affirmative. New vector received. Move orders received.
Activating equipment, Deacon.
Move orders received. Vector plotted.
As you command. Boarding APC.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Attack order received. Fire at will.
Understood. Free fire.
Squad 9 taking friendly fire. Hostile Aerodyne eliminated.
Aye, they shall feel our wrath.
Mission structure destroyed. The power station has been destroyed. Automated defenses halted.
Move command understood.
Right away, Deacon.
Hurry, my friend. I've picked up an answer to the Fukabe distress call. Reinforcements from the Xanadu sector are inbound with an ETA of 5 minutes.
Attack order
You
received.
are a fool and a heretic, Stone. You cannot defy my will, for it is the will of God. Surrender now, and only you will suffer purification. Your troops will go free.
My men and I have made our peace with the sun, and he never mentioned that you were privy to his plan for humanity, Cardinal.
Squad 1
On our way.
taking
Attack order
hostile infantry
received.
eliminated.
Attack order received.
Squad 2 taking friendly
We
fire.
will cleanse the heretics.
Hostile infantry eliminated. Squad 12
I will
regenerating.
cleanse that area, Deacon.
Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Hostile Hoverdyne eliminated.
Move command understood.
On our way, Deacon.
Hostile Hoverdyne eliminated. Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Squad 11
Move order
regenerating.
received.
Yes, Deacon. We will move. We shall move at move command understood. Yes, Deacon. We shall move at once, Deacon. Move command understood.
Squad 4 taking
I will
hostile
cleanse
fire.
that area, Deacon.
Squad 4 regenerating.
Aye, they shall feel our wrath. Yes, Deacon, bombarding.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Squad 12 taking hostile fire.
We shall move
Hostile
at once,
infantry
Deacon. Move
eliminated.
command
Squad 10
understood.
regenerating.
Yes, Deacon. We will move. We shall move at once, Deacon.
Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Hostile Hoverdyne eliminated.
Attack
Squad
order
3
received.
regenerating.
Yeah, I'm going. Right away, Deacon.
Squad 2 regenerating. Enemy structure destroyed.
Attack order received. Yeah, I'm going.
Move command understood.
Squad 3 regenerating.
Move order acknowledged. Move order acknowledged.
Squad 3 regenerating.
Yes, Deacon, bombarding.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Squad 3 regenerating.
Move orders received.
Squad 3
We
regenerating.
are on our way. As you command.
Enemy structure
Line
destroyed.
forward. We are on our... We're moving, Deacon. Artillery holding fire. Yeah, I'm going. Warning. Artillery will fire it. Yeah, I'm going. Right away, Deacon.
Squad 12 regenerating.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon. On our way, Deacon. Move order received. On our way, Deacon.
Move command understood.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon. We shall move at once, Deacon.
Beware, Jared. The dropship Michael is touching down and rapidly deploying the Xanadu units.
These new crusaders will bring me your head, Deacon Stone. Weakness like yours is exactly why we must pursue Project Garm. All but the true believers must be expunged from the galaxy.
As you command. Boarding APC.
Move command understood.
Artillery holding fire. Artillery return. Warning. Artillery will fire at will.
Yes, Deacon. We will move. We shall move at once, Deacon.
Squad 3 regenerating.
Move order received.
Move command understood.
Hostile Hoverdyne eliminated.
Yeah, I'm going.
Hostile Hoverdyne eliminated.
Right away, Deacon. Move order acknowledged.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Squad 12 regenerating.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Attack order
Squad 11
received.
regenerating.
Aye, they shall feel our wrath.
Hostile infantry eliminated.
Yes, Deacon, bombarding.
Hostile Hoverdyne eliminated.
Attack order received. Aye, they shall feel our wrath.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Yes, Deacon, bombarding. Attack order
Enemy
received.
structure destroyed. Hostile Pterodyne eliminated.
Aye, they
Enemy
shall
structure
feel our...
destroyed.
Yes, Deacon, bombarding. I will cleanse that area, Deacon. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Enemy structure destroyed. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Hostile Hoverdyne eliminated. Enemy structure destroyed.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon. On our way, Deacon. Move order received. Move order acknowledged. Yes, Deacon. Attacking. Move order received. Move order acknowledged. Yeah, I'm going.
Move command understood.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Squad 10 regenerating. Enemy structure destroyed.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon. On our way, Deacon.
Yes, Deacon. We shall move at once, Deacon.
Yeah, I'm going. Right away, Deacon. I will cleanse that area, Deacon. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Enemy structure destroyed.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon. I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Hostile Pterodyne eliminated.
Aye, they shall feel our wrath. Move order received.
Move command understood.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Yes, Deacon, bombarding. Attack order received.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Aye, they shall feel our wrath.
Enemy structure destroyed. Enemy structure destroyed.
The Fukabe base has been obliterated. I know it was hard firing on our own brothers in the Pax Dei, but you know we had no choice.
Move order acknowledged.
Now listen closely, Jared. I just received word from our operative that the Krays are trying to take advantage of this battle and seize the relic. Our operative has told them you have retreated, and they should be entering your sector here shortly. Engage and destroy the escorts without harming the trucks in the convoy.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
On our way, Deacon. Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, I'm going.
Waypoint added, waypoint added, waypoint added.
Move order received.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
We are on our way. Right away, Deacon. Waypoint added. Move order acknowledged.
Squad 3 taking hostile fire.
We shall move at once. Move command understood.
Right away,
Hostile
Deacon.
Pterodyne eliminated.
Yeah, I'm going. Right away, Deacon.
Squad 3 taking hostile fire.
We are on our way.
Hostile Pterodyne eliminated. Squad 3 taking hostile fire.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Squad 3 regenerating.
We're moving, Deacon. Special weapons.
Hostile Pterodyne eliminated.
As you come, we're moving, Deacon. Move order
Squad 3
received.
taking hostile fire. Squad 3 regenerating. Hostile Pterodyne eliminated.
We are on our way.
Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Squad 3 regenerating.
Activating equipment, Deacon. We are on our way. Move order received. We are up. We're moving, Deacon.
Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Squad 3 regenerating.
Move order received.
Move order received.
We are on our way.
Squad 3 regenerating. Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
Move orders received. Yeah, I'm going.
Hostile Pterodine eliminated. Squad 6
We're
regenerating.
moving, Deacon.
Squad 4 taking hostile fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
Move order received.
As you command. Boarding APC.
Hostile Pterodine eliminated. Squad 4 taking hostile fire.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Squad 4
Hi
regenerating.
there, Deacon. I'm Sergeant Cole. Your friend Magnus told me you were something fierce, and he wasn't kidding. Thought you were gonna go through my truck convoy like you blew through those pterodines.
You should not have feared, Sergeant. In times like these, I cannot afford to lose any friends, even strange new ones such as yourself.
Yes, Deacon.
I know the feeling, Deacon. Listen, would you mind escorting me? I'm a little leery of driving alone in the combat zone. I'll tell you about it some other time. In the meantime, I'll try to bring you up to speed on Enrica Hayes. He's a Craven version of your Mad Hatter Cardinal.
Be advised, another large Order strike force has just entered the region. You are an extremely wanted man, Jared.
We shall move at once, Deacon. Move command understood.
Affirmative. Move orders received. Affirmative. New vector received. Vector plotted.
Move order received.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon.
Affirmative. Move orders received. Missiles locked and ready.
Squad 9 taking
Special
friendly
weapon
fire.
confirmed.
Hostile Aerodyne eliminated. Squad 9 taking hostile fire.
Vector plotted.
Squad 9 taking friendly fire.
Affirmative. New vector received.
I will cleanse that area, Deacon. 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 Aye, they shall feel our wrath. Yes, Deacon, bombarding.
Hostile Hoverdyne eliminated.
I will cleanse that area,
Squad
Deacon.
7 taking hostile fire.
Yeah, I'm going.
Well done, Jared. That should buy you a few minutes of peace.
Squad 7 has been destroyed.
Yes, Deacon, bombarding. Attack order received.
strike my last thought, my friend. It seems you have more company. I am tracking an incoming Craven dropship. It's hedge-hopping just below standard radar altitude.
Move orders received. Aye, they shall feel our wrath. Yes, Deacon, bombarding.
Command
Move orders
APC
received.
taking hostile fire.
Move order received.
We shall move at once.
Craven dropship touching down here. Investigate it immediately.
Squad 2 regenerating. Squad 1 taking friendly fire. Hostile hoverdyne eliminated. Squad 11
Hold
taking
your fire,
hostile
culties.
fire.
We're not here for a fight.
Squad 4 taking friendly fire.
Hey there, Sarah. Here's the friend I thought you should meet. Deacon Stone, this is Major Parker. As tough a warbird as you'll ever see. Sarah, this here's Jared Stone. He looks a little uptight, but the boy's a fearsome sight on the battlefield. Listen, I think the two of you have a lot to talk about and not much time.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Mission accomplished.
I have been in a war council with Magnus, Cole, and this Parker woman. Despite her manner, she is a brilliant commander, and her troops are as battle-hardened as any found in the Pax Dei. Our command center and equipment depot is at an abandoned Cray base high in the Rorschach Mountains. To prevent discovery of the command center, fully operational forces like mine are hiding elsewhere for now. Major Parker suspects that Aguirre and Hayes were in negotiations for 2 weeks before the announcement. If so, our last few missions were simply attempts to improve Aguirre's bargaining position. Perhaps it is time for warriors to pick their own path, to be their own masters. Perhaps it is time for a new way.